Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Shopify for freelance e-commerce, full guide step by step clearly. First, start by creating a Shopify account by visiting the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address, password, and store name. Once you've completed the fields, click Create Your Store. You will then be taken to your Shopify dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Next, navigate to the Settings tab located in the bottom left corner. Here, you can set up crucial information such as your store details, payment providers, and shipping options. After configuring your settings, go to the Products section. Click on Add Product to begin adding items to your store. Upload high-quality images for each product. Fill in the product title, description, and price. Also, be sure to set your inventory and shipping options. Once you've added your products, go to the Online Store section in the sidebar. Choose themes to customize the look of your store. Explore the available themes and select one that resonates with your brand. Customize the theme by using the Customize button. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout to create a unique aesthetic. After your theme is set, go back to the Online Store section. Click on Pages to create important content pages like About Us and Contact. Write engaging and informative content for these pages. Next, consider setting up a blog to share insights related to your niche. This can boost your SEO and attract more potential customers. Now, it's time to set up payment methods. In the Settings tab, click on Payments. Choose from various payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify Payments. Fill in the required details to activate your chosen payment options. Once your payment settings are complete, set up shipping rates. Go to Settings and then Shipping and Delivery. Define your shipping zones and rates based on your business model. With your store ready, it's critical to preview it before going live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.